Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Security Potentially Unwanted app found on your Windows 10 and 11. Now, I am using Windows 11, and what we're going to do here is go down to our search icon on our taskbar and type in Settings. Once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and click on Settings. It's the very first option, and you'll be in your computer's settings. We're going to go down to the left-hand side and look for Privacy and Security. And from here, Windows Security, which is the very first option under Security tab. Once you've opened this up, you're going to go down and look for App and Browser Control, and you'll open up a new window. From here, we'll look for Reputation-Based Protection. And here there is a blue line which we can actually click on, and it says Reputation-Based Protection Settings. And we're going to scroll down, and over here it says Potentially Unwanted App Blocking. And here you want to make sure that this is off, and you will not get that notification any longer. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.